while to count. It is such a large amount, but I know you will take the time to count videos in my YouTube channel. But behalf of counting, I'm just revealing that I have completed 100 videos in my YouTube channel. And this video is gonna be a very special video because today we will be discussing 50 facts on the number 100 on our 100th video. And I was successful in completing 100 videos because of my subscribers and because of my YouTube family. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started into this very special video today. Water boiling point 100 degrees Celsius, water condensation point 100 degrees Celsius, higher fixed point in Celsius scale is 100 degrees Celsius. There are 100 divisions in a Celsius scale. A female mosquito can live up to 100 days. A person who lives to be 100 is called a centenarian. The fairy tale character who slept for 100 years was Sleeping Beauty. She is also called as Briar Rose. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies and $1 is equal to 100 pennies. 1 euro is equal to 100 cents. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kgs. Roman numeral for 100 is C. 100 in Telugu, Hindi and Sanskrit is Vanda, Sau, Shatakam respectively. There are 100 yards in an American football field. 2 to the power of 6 plus 6 to the power of 2 is equal to 100. Thus 100 is a Leland number. Sum of first 9 prime numbers is 100. Sum of first 10 odd numbers is 100. And there are 100 liter tiles in a Scrabble game. And the 100th anniversary. The 100th anniversary is simply called as centenary. A standard prefix for 100 is hecto. 100 watt bulb lasts for 750 hours. Factors of 100 are 2, 4, 5, 10, 25, 50. Bangkok, Thailand is at 100 degrees east longitude. Mexico City is at 100 degrees west longitude. And Kapil Dev was the first Indian cricketer to score century in One Day International. But the most centuries scored in One Day International was Sachin Tendulkar. He scored 49 centuries. Fermium is the 100th element in the periodic table. It is a rare radioactive earth element. Cardinal representation of 100 is 100. Ordinal representation of 100 is 100. Lala Amarnath Bharadwaj was the first batsman to score a century for Indian national cricket team in Test cricket. There are 70 languages in a 100 rupee note. 100 is a perfect square number and its square root is 10. Gugol is a number 1 followed by 100 zeros. It is a mathematical term used to describe huge quantities. Yes, there are 100 sweat glands in a square inch of skin. In the epic Mahabharata, King Dhritarashtra had 100 sons named Kauravas. 100% is a completion of charging or downloading in any mobile or device. The United States Senate has 100 senators. The Karman line lies 100 kilometers above the sea level and is usually described as the boundary between the Earth's outer space and Earth's atmosphere, and the religious Jew is expected to utter at least 100 blessings daily. The Mount Kanchenjunga mountain on 100 rupee note was replaced by Rani Ki Vav monument on July 2018 by Reserve Bank of India. The first 100 rupee note featured the portrait of George VI, but after independence in the year 1947, Reserve Bank of India continued issuing the notes by replacing the portrait of George VI by what? By emblem of India, right? And the 100 written in binary system. 100 written in binary system is 11000100. Cat can make 100 different sounds. In Canada, 100 different languages are spoken. And the most common full marks given in exam are 100. Yes. And 7 fact क्या करें? 7 fact. Yes. क्या करें? मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. 7 fact. Joking man, joking. Dial 100. वो किसको नहीं पता? 100 dial करते हैं ना? Dial 100. Dial 100 is police emergency service number in countries like India, Turkey, Palestine, Iraq, Afghanistan. By specification, 100 euro notes feature a Rococo gateway on the upwards and Borough Bridge on the reverse. And what else? पता ही है फैक्ट आपको, इंडिया विल बी सेलिब्रेटिंग 100 years of its independence in the year 2047. हाँ, and there are 100 years in a century. And there are 100 videos now in Sahithi's Interesting Vlogs, and we have celebrated our 100th video very 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 grandly. बहुत मजा आया भैया, मुझे ना बहुत मजा आया. आप में से कितने लोगों को मजा आया होगा? इतने सारे फैक्ट्स जान लिए हम लोगों ने. अरे यार 50 facts. We learned 50 facts today. I'm so happy, guys. Actually first I thought to, try to write down all the 100 facts, but 100 facts कहाँ से लेके आओ, तो मुझे 50 facts मिल गए. I was thinking. So I literally made 50 facts at least. I'm so happy for that. Because of my YouTube channel, I got to know a lot of things, and because of these 100 videos, I got to learn a lot of things. So this video is really special for me. And even special, I think even special for the people who have subscribed me. Thank you very much guys for subscribing my channel, and I'll be meeting you all with another new video very very soon. Till that time, goodbye and take care. Yay!